Here it is, you guys. Haven't done a video on that. It's my new truck, Mitsubishi Mighty Max. Super stoked to make some videos on that. So here goes our new tow rig for the channel, 2008 Cadillac Escalade. Alright you guys, I'm out test driving the Galant. There's a little bit of noise still, but nowhere near as much as what there was before. Lower RPMs, it has a little bit of rattle, a little bit of noise. But outside of that, it's awesome. It's a world of a difference. So, I don't have it on full boost, but I have it pretty close, and let's test the launch. Hopefully I don't break. Holy crap. Limping it home right now. That freaking sucks. I think I broke first gear. I was able to get it to second and the third. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds broken. Fudge. Yeah, we'll see what. I don't know what else I can do with this car. Besides a dog box, and I don't have the money for that, but I'll either pick this up in the garage or hope you guys enjoyed the broken video. Thanks guys. No more Sentra. She gone.